Okay, for the people that have been trying to find elastic and you can't find it anywhere, I got a little trick. So I found these nylon socks at Dollar General. You can find them at Big Lots or Dollar Tree, and they're just nylon socks. These came 5 to a pack. So what you want to do is take one of your socks, and they look like little tubes, and they're very stretchy this way. So just want to cut you a wide piece, not too wide. You can make a lot of elastics with one tube sock, and you stretch it. You see all that stretch? And they're soft, stretchy, comfortable. And with this one, you can cut it in half and tie it, burn the ends, and you'll actually have elastic for both sides of a mask, just out of cutting one time. So there you go. Hope that helps.